Hi guys, how are you all? Good. Once should we wait for the others to join maybe? I don't know. How are you, Srimitran?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Did you take the assessment? Did you take the Did you take the assessment?
Yes.
Yes, I did see. Did you check your incorrect answers?
Yes.
Good.
I have some questions. I have lots of questions.
Yes, we will go over that. I went through whoever completed, I went through. Okay. Mm, okay. Yeah, we can go over that. However, just hold on. Adya has completed. Anjali, did you complete the assessment? Kripa, did you complete the assessment?
I have some questions, so I didn't do them.
You did not do them, but it's okay to do them and then ask, right?
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to revise today because I waited last week. Kripa, did you do? Kripa, I'm not able to hear you, ma. Kripa, did you do, ma?
Now can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you do the assessment, Kripa?
I didn't do it because I was kind of sick this past weekend.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Maybe you'll do it sometime soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm going to clarify some of the questions they have. Okay, if it's okay with you, because we'll tend to miss if we don't discuss today as well. Can I go ahead discussing the questions that Anjali has?
Yeah.
Okay. Anjali, go ahead and ask me. What are the questions?
I have questions on number 4 and 5,
But
and
hold on. This is 3A and 3B only. Did you see that? Okay. Question 4 and 5. What are your questions? A pentomino. Pentomino is what? Did we do pentominoes? What is a domino?
a four-sided shape,
Okay. What is a triomino?
a three-sided shape,
Uh, this is a triomino, right?
wait, so it has three squares?
Yeah, okay. So let me go back to your book. Wait, I don't know whether we did this. Okay, I have to check. Hold on. Do you have the 3A book with you, ma? Do you have the 3A book, ma? Okay, this was a part of 3A, I think. Let me see. Okay, this was a part of 3A. Okay. What do we call a domino? Let me show you. This is a domino. You've seen dominoes?
I have like the game.
Okay. Yeah, so domino will have two squares to it, attached to it. Triomino will have, tri means three, right? Will have three squares attached to it. Tetramino will have four of those. You get it? Anjali, do you get it?
Yeah.
So when you have two of those, it's a domino. Do means two. This is triamino. This is tetramino. What is a pentamino?
With 5 squares?
Yes, one, two, three, four, five. You got it?
Yeah.
But when you think about it, right? Domino is okay. Okay, domino can only be straight. Okay, a triamino can be a straight triamino, or it can be of this shape, right? Right?
Yeah.
What else? A triamino. How many other types of triamino can be there? Only these two, right?
Yeah.
Coming to a tetramino, how many different types can be there? One, two, three, four. Uh-huh. One, two, three, and then one here. How many other types can be there?
2. Because we can just do a full dot square.
I am thinking, no,
3.
more than two, right, Amma?
Wait, don't change that.
Let me see. There can be more than two, right? What other types can be there? It can be like this, right? Yeah. This can be a tetramino, right? And what other shapes can be there?
You
What
know the
other?
middle one? You can flip that over.
This is L. This is O. This is what? I. Then what else?
You can
It can
do.
also be like this, right?
Oh, yeah.
P. And then what else can be there? Think
Wait.
about it and tell me. Can it be like this? I'm just wondering, you have to answer. Can it be like this? Meaning I'll draw it in here. I'll draw it in here. Can it be like this?
1, 2. Yeah. That's a 4.
So this is a S, right?
Yeah.
So it can be a ILOTS. A tetramino can be of five different types. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So now let's go ahead and read the question. A pentamino is made up of five identical unit squares. If they are placed in a straight line, they're only talking about a straight pentagon. The explanation is as well given. Did you see, Anjali? You don't have to learn. You don't have to know anything before. A pentamino is made up of five identical unit squares. They are placed in a straight line. You don't need to know anything about the pentamino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what is the perimeter? Unit squares means the measurement is 1 unit. 1 unit, 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 1 unit on all the sides. So, what is the perimeter? 5 plus 5 plus 2. You got it? And what is this? We have discussed this. When will the perimeter be smallest? When will it form the smallest perimeter? Think about it. When will it make the smallest perimeter? We have discussed that multiple times in class. When will something make the smallest area? When will something make the smallest perimeter?
The smallest parameter.
Yeah.
Um.
When will, okay, let's try out. Let's try out all the pentaminos. Let's try out all the pentaminos, okay? What is the perimeter of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right?
Yeah.
This pentamino, what was its perimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12
12.
units. Oh, good. Now, what other pentaminos can we draw?
You can draw the
Uh-huh.
S.
The 4 and 1.
Oh.
We draw the 4 and 1. We'll draw the 4 and 1. How about that? Let's try out a few, then only you'll know. You have to try all this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 units. You got it?
All of them. Wait, the last one was also 12 units.
The last one, yeah. Several of them might coincide. Or what other pentominoes I can talk about? See, if this moves here, 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 it's going to be exactly the same perimeter, right? So what other perimeters is possible? Now, what is the smallest perimeter in here?
The smallest parameter is the 10 unit one.
Exactly. So 10 units is the smallest perimeter of a pentomino. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to figure out, you need to draw and see because everything is given here. Pentomino means what it is saying. So now it is important that you figure out by drawing. You get it?
Okay.
What other questions you had?
I
Anybody can
had
ask. Hmm.
questions of 44. The
44.
painted cubes one.
The painted cube. Did you see the explanation that I have given you?
Yeah, I saw the video, but I didn't really understand it.
One second. One second. Kamala, you're in here, right? Mom is asking if you joined. Are you in here? Kamala? Kamala, are you able to hear us?
Yes, Miss Priya. Sorry, it's the time difference. We were a little confused at the beginning.
Ah, okay, okay, I
It's
got it.
an hour early, right? We were mentally were thinking like an hour late.
Ah, okay, okay, I got it, I got it. Hereafter, maybe daylight savings, I'll send it out to you. And when are you coming back?
We were supposed to come back on March 18th. Now we don't know because our flight is through Emirates.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it. Okay, okay, I hear you. I hear you.
So we have to wait and see until we are trying to wait until the conflict is over and maybe a little couple of weeks later.
Completely makes sense. Okay,
Because I only need to teach in August. So there is no rush.
yeah, absolutely. Okay, so you take care and decide slowly. But from next week, can we make this class to all the kids, not only to Kamala's mom? Can we shift the class by 1 hour, guys? I will also ask the other group. Can we shift this class to 9:40? Meaning, can we shift this class to 9:45 a.m. EST? It'll be
Yeah.
easier for you guys, right?
Yeah.
Because of that only, I'm thinking.
I don't think so because then it end at 11 a.m. and then I have class at 11 a.m.
I have
Another
summer
class.
school at 10.
But your moms were all okay. Now you're all saying different things. I
So
did
what is the question, Priya? Like it's going to be as is because we are a little confused because now it started at 7:15 p.m. here.
no. IST you're going to determine by yourself, Kamala's mom. Okay. I will always
Okay.
talk based on CST.
Oh,
Okay.
CST. Okay.
It is always the classes are based on CST. So the classes were at 8:45 p.m. I am thinking we can do it at 9:45 p.m. because I did check with several of you. Everybody was okay, I felt. But Kamala's mom, you may be new. You're coming back maybe this month, right? Or next month, right?
Correct.
Okay. So when they come in, they will have it at I'm thinking of 9:45. See, these kids are finding it tough to wake up here.
I think like 9:40. Now it is 9:45 a.m. EST
You
for us.
convert timings, okay?
Yeah. So what time are you proposing?
10:45 EST.
Oh, 10:45 EST. Okay.
Wait, EST or IST?
Don't worry about IS guys. That's why I'm saying I'll always talk on CST, okay?
Yeah,
So,
I understood now. So we will go back to our original time. Like, yeah, that should be fine from here for 2 months. I do not have a time
I
like for
know. That's
anything when
okay.
I come back
That's okay.
yet.
Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. For now, Kamala, I understood, but for the others, I really want then Adya's mom to come and talk now.
Okay, I'll go get.
Yeah, now itself, if possible, please, because I really need to iron this out. Vihan, your class starts at 11, right, Vihan?
Oh, here starts at 8:45 a.m.
No, no, no. No, 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 no. What I'm saying is 9:45 p.m. CST. If I shift, do you have a problem?
CST? I
Yeah.
sleep at 8:30. Oh, I know.
Vihan,
Wait.
I have to consider everybody, Vihan. Is your dad around or mom around?
Yeah, my mom's around.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Is it okay? Meaning, is it okay to shift at 9:45 a.m. CST?
Yeah,
Okay.
he has at 11 class. Okay. Yeah, I will change that class.
Yeah, I
Yay!
will also check with everybody. I'm just finalizing, okay? Meaning the kids are finding it very hard to wait. I don't have a problem, Amma. Okay, I can have the class at any time, meaning either at 8:45 or 9:45. These are the smallest kids I teach. So to
Yeah,
help
yeah,
them,
yeah.
yeah, I'm thinking I do understand Vihan sleeps early, but most of the kids are finding it difficult. So I'm thinking why not help them out? That's all.
Sure, sure. I will discuss with that teacher and I will let you know.
Yeah, yeah. Personally, I am for having the classes at 8:45. 8:45 is not late, I would say. Okay, but my opinions my opinions do not matter. At the end, whatever fits for all is okay for me. You see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So I'm
Mhm.
just wondering. Yeah, Kripa, tell me what is the problem?
I will let you know,
For
ma'am. Thank
the
you.
class after us, could you just like switch classes? Like, so they would be at 8:45 and we could be at 9:45.
That's what I'm asking. Can we do?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
Adya has a Tamil school at 10. So it's like 10 to 12 she needs to be there. So she can go like the late is okay till 10:15. After 10:15, if she goes, it'll be a problem. But that is just for, I think, another 1.5 months. After that, I can definitely switch her to 9:45. Let me talk to the, admin and find out, and I'll let you know the exact dates.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. But I am just confused. You were one among the moms who asked to change to 9:45, right?
8:45. No, no, no. Because of me, I think you shifted to
Yeah,
the
yeah, to
early slot.
8:45. Yes, to
Yeah.
8:45. But did you not ask me to shift to 9:45 in between?
No, no. I was asking you if you could do a different day other than Sunday, but she's also finding it difficult to have an early class. So I completely understand, the concern from the other kids also. So let me find out if there is any scope of, sending her a little late to the school. I'll definitely make it happen. But worst case, she can listen to some recordings and
No, no,
catch
no.
up.
No, I don't. Yeah, let's see. Let's take it offline. I don't want that as well. Let's see.
Yeah. See, they definitely close a little early, Priya. They don't keep till end of May or something like that. They close like early May. So maybe for another 1 month we have to put up with this and then we can switch.
Okay,
Um,
next year when we schedule the class, right, I will ask all of you, the lowest, the youngest kids first and then schedule. Is that okay?
yeah,
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 next, yeah,
that
we'll
would
do
be
that next
good.
year. But for now, let's see. Okay, we'll iron that out. But I will talk to you offline, Adya's mom.
Okay, sure, sure.
I
Yeah.
don't want her to be watching, but when is the end date for that class? We'll talk it out, okay?
Oh, yeah,
But
definitely.
for the others, I'm going to, Vihan's mom will get back to me. For the Srimitran has something to say. Go ahead. I'm listening.
I'm good at time changing. You, I'm good at time changing.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, that's what most of you say, but I need to, Kamala's mom accepted. So only confirmation I need to get from Srimit, I'm sorry. I need to get from Vihan and Adya I will do. Okay. Akshara, are you okay, ma? You keep quiet. You're not saying anything.
Yeah, I'm okay with changing.
Okay, I am sure Aditi will also be happy if we change. So let's see. Okay, okay, let's see, guys. Okay, let's move on. We'll see. Okay, I'll also talk to the older kids to switch to earlier. Okay, they can wake up early, right? That's what I was thinking. Okay, now coming to pentomino, did you understand, Anjali? Anjali, did you understand the pentomino thing?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Any other questions in the test? Any other questions in the test?
Miss
Ah,
Priya,
cubes painted, right? Coming to the cubes painted, did you all see this? Did you all see this? Meaning, did you all see this one? Did you all see this one? Did you all listen to the this one? Did you all listen
Those
to this
brain
YouTube?
teasers that look pretty simple on the outside, but
No. Okay.
Well, I watched it.
I
You
just
I did
watched
not.
half of
I
it.
watched it.
I
I
really
just
go ahead. I really would like you to watch that. Okay, now thinking about a 3 by 3. What is a 3 by 3 cube? When you think of Nice. When you think about the 3 by 3 cube, right? This is the 3 by 3 cube. Okay. If I paint on the outside, right? If I paint this cube on the outside, this cube on the outside, what happens when you look at it? Clearly, what happens? Meaning it's all visualization. It takes time as well. But it's like, see, this is your cube, right? If it is a 3 by 3 cube, what they are saying is 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3. You see? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 3 cube. You see, this is a 3 by 3 cube, meaning this one. See? This is a 3 by 3 cube. Okay, the back also has it. Front means back also has it. Right means left also has it. Top means bottom also has it. You see? Now, if I paint this cube on the outside, right? When you think about the edge cubes, meaning when you think about the corner cubes, when you think about the corner cubes, you see how many of the faces will be painted? Who can tell me on the corner cube how many of the faces will be painted? Yes, Ananya, tell me.
3.
3, good job. So on the corner cube, right, 3 of the faces will be painted. That's what they are showing here. You see 1, 2 on the back side. Corner cube will always have 3 of the sides painted. Does that make sense? How many corner cubes are there? How many corner cubes are there? How many corner cubes are there?
8.
4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Those are the corner cubes. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So, like this, you need to visualize. Now, thinking about, let's say, how many, let's consider these. How many of the two sides will be painted? This cube. How many of the sides for this cube will be painted?
2.
2. Here?
2.
2. Here?
2. Yeah.
2. So consider them as layers. Okay, there are 3 layers, right? There are 3 layers. Now, when you think about it, on the top layer, you have 4 cubes painted on 2 sides, right? You have 4 cubes painted on 2 sides. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Similarly, there are 4 cubes at the bottom painted on 2 sides. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, for the middle layer, how is it going to be? For the middle layer, who can tell me which sides will have 2 sides painted? How about uh-huh.
For the very right and the very left, in the middle row, it's gonna be painted 2.
2.
But in the very middle, it's gonna be
1.
painted 1.
So each layer, right, will have how many sides? Each layer will have how many cubes painted with 2 sides? Each layer will have how many cubes painted to 2 sides? Yes, Shankari.
12.
Yeah, okay, 12 is okay, but then each layer I asked you. There are 3 layers. This is layer 1, this is layer 2, layer 3. Each layer will have how many cubes painted on 2 of the sides?
Like only one row.
Only one row, correct. Only one row. 4. Good job. 4. Good job. Now think about this question. How many cubes in this 3 by 3? This is 3 by 3 means 3 cubes vertically, 3 cubes horizontally, 3 cubes on the sides. That is a 3 by 3 by 3 cube. Now think about, leave all the cubes. Think about, will there be any cubes on the inside that will never get painted?
The very middle core.
The very middle core. So that is the only cube that will never get painted at all. Did you guys understand that?
Yeah.
So now with this explanation, so you know how to find out the cubes with 3 sides painted, 2 sides painted. Coming to this one side painted cubes, what are they? This is one cube that is one side painted, right? This is one cube that is one side painted. This is one cube that's one side painted. Similarly, top, bottom, front, back, right, left. There are 6 cubes that are painted just on one side. Does that make sense?
Yes.
There are 6 faces, right? You have the front, you have the back. Then what do you have? You have the right side,
And
you have the left side, yeah. And then what do you have?
the bottom.
Top and bottom. Always they come in pairs. So each face has one cube that is one side painted. So there's a total of 6 cubes that is one side painted. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
So this is how it works. 3 side painted cubes are 8. 2 side painted cubes are 12. The core does not have anything painted. And then there are 6 painted on one side. Does it make sense? Yeah, ma.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Now, what I want you to do is visualize a 5 by 5 cube. Visualize a 5 by 5 cube. See, visualize something like this. When you visualize something like this, you will know. See, you see this one is different, right? A 3 by 3 was much easier, but this one becomes a 5 by 5. It takes time, guys. I want you to figure this out. Okay, the video as well helps you to figure it out. When you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this cube, think about only the corner cubes again get painted with 3 sides. Only the corner cubes get painted with 3 sides. How about the rest of it will differ again. So I want you to think slowly. This is only for a 3 by 3 by 3. This is a 5 by 5 by 5. You see? So we need to understand how many cubes. So there is a pattern actually. You can come up with a formula for that matter. You will clearly know how many cubes will be 0 sides painted, 1 side painted, 2 side painted. Any questions? No? Okay. So, yeah. Can I move on? Shankari, what is your question?
I didn't mean to raise my hand.
Oh, you didn't mean to raise your hand. Kripa, what is your question?
I didn't mean to raise my hand either.
Okay. That's okay. Can we move on now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Any questions on the homework?
No.
See, these are extra things that we are solving, okay? Extra things means these are not a part of the book, but it is good to know all these, visualize all these. Ananya, did you have a question, ma?
Yeah.
What is your question?
Why in the homework you gave less pages?
Because doing that itself was, I thought was a bigger job for you. That is why I limited the number of pages.
Oh.
Okay, and many of you had not finished this detailed review assignment as well. So I really wanted you guys to finish those assignments. You got it? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now can I go ahead? This is A. Okay, I really want to do the D. I want to continue with the D.
E.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, how about this, guys? I really want to discuss a lot of things with you so you can get going with more in the book. Vihan, did you have a question? I am on CST. Yes, Vihan. I do understand that you are in CST. Kamala, are you able to do the pages, ma? Kamala, are you able to do the pages?
I did some, but I didn't finish.
You didn't finish. Okay, that's okay, but it would be good if you try to finish. Suppose if I give you this, right? Suppose if I give you this, would you be able to change it into wholes and fractions? I want you see this is called in mathematical terms this is called an improper fraction. I think Vishwa also forgot. I want you to convert it to a mixed number. Can you all send the mixed number equivalent of this? Fine guys, let me send out a reminder.
Miss Priya,
Yama,
I have a question in the homework.
you have a question in the homework? Yeah, tell me the page number, question number.
The page number is 36 and the question number is 163.
1 second. I will note down. I'm sorry. I did not note down. Tell me.
Page 36 and the question 163.
I will do it.
Miss Priya,
No, actually, I did not give that page number as homework, right, ma?
Then
10 18. 10 18. Uh, actually, I did not give that page number as homework. Did you see that, Anjali? I really wanted to go over that page. That's why I said, please do not do the missing pages.
okay.
Yeah, I know that you'll all get confused. That's why I did not give that page number in the homework. I'm going to go over it.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to go over that and then only give that assignment to you. Oh, wait. I had given. Okay, I'll go. I am planning to go over that, ma, Anjali. Okay. No, Anjali, it was my bad. Okay, I mentioned it wrongly. I didn't mean to give that at all. That page, I really want to go over that myself and then let you do. I will do that, ma.
Okay.
See, go ahead and convert this.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah, I'll check, ma.
Miss Priya, what do you have to convert it to? Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
do we have to convert it to a mixed fraction?
Yes. I want you to convert it to mixed fraction. Can you convert it to mixed fraction?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I'll check, ma. Shankari, that's correct. Adya, that's correct. Srimitran. Srimitran, what is that answer, Srimitran? Vihan, that's correct. Aru, can I get your answer or you need help? Or Akshara? Ananya? Good morning. Did you guys get it?
I need help.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah,
I don't
Miss Priya, am I
understand.
correct?
I'm checking, guys. Hold on. There are, I don't know, some are missing. Let's see.
Kavita, WhatsApp audio.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. I'm checking your answers. Let me check, guys. Give me a minute, okay? Sorry guys, I didn't mean to. So that was 26 by 8, right? It was 3 2 by 8. Make sense? Okay. Did you who okay, everybody is giving me a thumbs up. Let's see. I'll move on. Okay, now let's go ahead. I have an inch ruler. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have it like this. Okay, I mark halfway through. I mark halfway through. I mark halfway through. Make sense? Now here you have three spaces in between. Like this. Does that make sense, guys? This is a bigger mark. Okay, this is a bigger mark. Okay, the halfway mark is a bigger mark. Okay, the halfway mark is a bigger mark. Okay, in between you have three spaces. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is halfway mark, literally 0, 1. This is half. This is 1.5. This is 2.5. Okay, I've clearly shown you, right? Now, what is the distance between? Let me ask you this. What is the distance between? Let me write it down. I start from a 2. What is the distance between this 2? From here you start. Okay, you are going to measure till here. What is this distance? Who can tell me? Slowly find out and tell me. I'm starting at 2. Okay, I'm going till the marking. Which marking? This is my start. This is my end. What is the distance between these two?
In fractions?
Yes. You can send it to me as a mixed number as well. Only thing is I want to know the answer. I feel like something is messing up. Let's see. 2. You want me to redraw? Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. Let's see this one. I can do one thing for you. To make things easy, right? I'll do this. Yeah, I'm going to do this one for you. So that wait guys, you don't need to compute. I will make it easier on you. Let me get this. Let's do it from the book itself. See, now I'm going to share something with you. You're going to find it from there, not from here. Don't want you to get confused. Okay. So now let me share this one with you guys. You can calculate now from here. How about this? You're able to see? Are you able to see better now? Now I want the distance from here till here.
Miss Priya, the top fraction is cut off.
What is it?
The top fraction is cut off. Is that the answer?
Don't worry about it. You don't need to know the fractions. I want you to calculate. One whole has been split into how many pieces? First calculate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each of the small thing is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. I purposefully took that off. 7 by 8. So basically each small unit is 1 by 8. Now what I want you to do is calculate the distance between 2 and the ending point. Yes, Kripa, what is your question on that?
You say answer 6 by 8.
I want you to message me. I don't want you to tell.
Miss Priya, is it mixed fraction or just fractions?
Exactly this distance, starting from here till here. Make sense?
I wrote it in a mixed fraction for some reason. I didn't know about me. I just wrote it in a mixed fraction.
Go ahead. Were you able to say, guys? Let me know how you're calculating. If it's hard as well, you have to let me know. Good job, Akshara. Good job, Kripa. Good job, Aru. Good job, Anjali. How 7 2 by 5? 6 by 8 is
That was the
last one, but that was incorrect. Did you? Oh, yeah. Okay. Uh, okay, Vihan, that's right. Srimithan, everybody got it. Now I'm going to ask you a different question. Okay, everybody got this one. So let me ask a different question. Now, I'm going to place a crayon here. I'm going to place a crayon here. Okay, the crayon starts from here and it goes till here. What is the length of my crayon? This is my crayon. Okay. What is the length of my crayon? You guys are going to compute and tell me. What is the length of my crayon? Take your time, understand and do. What is the length of my crayon?
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
is this a mixed fraction?
Go ahead.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I can check.
Yeah.
Job Adya, correct. Srimitran, correct. Good
Wait,
job,
is
guys.
mixed
All of you
fraction?
got.
Yeah, I'm correct.
Yeah. Everybody who sent is correct.
You have to write it in mixed fraction?
Yeah, you have to write a mixed fraction.
Okay.
Did you guys get it? All of you got it, I think. Is there a person who is not understanding it? It is 3 2 by 8. It is 3 2 by 8.
I was about to send that.
Yeah, 3 2 by 8. You know what? Whenever you see the fraction, right? Can this be reduced further? Can this be reduced further? 2 by 8. Both are even numbers, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do?
1
You
by
can
4.
simplify it to 1 by
1
4.
by 4.
Exactly. Good job, guys. You can simplify it to 1 by 4. Very nice. How about I place the crayon here? I am very mean, you know. I want to make it harder on you. So I place the crayon starting point here. Okay. My crayon goes till what, you know? My crayon is a small crayon this time. Okay. So my crayon goes till here. What is the length of my crayon?
In mixed fraction.
Do you need to write it in a mixed fraction?
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, write it in a mixed fraction.
Okay.
Because writing it in a mixed fraction is easier. I don't want to make it very hard, but I'm still mean. So I place the crayon a little after. Anjali, did you count correctly? Kamala. Kamala, how did it become 1 by 3? Kamala, can you explain?
No, I did that by accident.
Okay, correct it.
Miss
That is
Priya,
correct.
my correct.
Akshara correct, Vihan correct, Adya correct. So the starting point you need to be very thorough, very focused to see what is the starting point. Srimitran correct. Aru, it is Aru, did you already answer?
My answer for this.
32 already?
Aru is talking. Aru, go ahead and talk.
That was my answer
For
for
the
the
previous question. Okay,
No, for this question.
for this question, then you need to. Okay, Shankari, that's correct. See, it is not starting in 0. So 1 to 2 is only 1 inch, right? And then you have a fraction. Fraction is 3 by 8. So the answer is 1 3 by 8. Did you get it?
3 by
1 3 by 8. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Oh, I wrote it wrong. My
Okay.
fraction was right, but my mixed number was wrong.
Bihan, wait. I didn't see that.
I just changed it.
No, 1 3 by 8 is correct, right, Vihan?
I just changed it.
Oh, you. Okay, Anjali, correct. So did
Or
you?
it was 2 3 by 8.
Okay. So can I move on now? So do you understand how this works?
Yeah.
When you change the starting point, you need to be very careful. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. How about okay? Now 8 to D. D I don't see. Okay. Okay. Now let's go ahead and try. Okay. Let me stop sharing this. So I really want you to have a good grasp on mixed fraction, mixed numbers and fractions, improper fractions. That's the intent. Okay. Now let's see this. How about this? This is Bob's house. Okay. This is Carl's house. Okay. Now I start walking from Bob's house to Carl's house. I start walking from Bob's house to Carl's house. Okay, let's say it is 8 miles. Okay, now I start walking. Okay, I covered 1 3 by 4 miles. I covered 1 3 by 4 miles. I was very tired after that 1 hour. Okay, now tell me how far I am from Carl's house. How far? I am here at this point. How far I am from Carl's house? Let's see. Let's see whether you're able to answer this one. Take your time, but try, be focused and do.
Do we send the chat? don't get it.
Okay. No, I walked, okay? I'm halfway. Okay, I am at what point? Did you see I walked 3 by 4 miles? But the total distance from Bob's house to Carl's house is 8 miles. I walked only 3 by 4 miles. Now, how much more to go? How much more to go? Vihan, is that right?
Because it's just 8 miles.
No, what I'm saying is the entire distance is 8 miles. I walk for 1 hour, okay, and I am at 3 by 4 mile marker, okay.
Yeah.
How much more I need to walk?
1 5 by 2, 1 by 4.
You check how much more I need to walk to Carl's house.
Since it's actually not in the middle, it would be 2 0 by 4 if it was in the middle. So
Come
then
on.
it would be like 1 5 by 4. But I actually know that answer, but I didn't think it was correct.
So what do you need to do? Why?
Okay.
Why 2 1 by 4? The entire distance is 8 miles, right?
Oh yeah.
I have only covered 3 by 4. Kamala, do it again. You're almost there, but you're making a mistake. Srimitran, you're almost there, but you're making a mistake.
1 by 4.
Okay, Srimitran and Kamala, what you guys can do, you both got it almost, but you're making the mistake. What mistake I'll tell you? What you're doing is calculate your answer. Add your answer with this. You should get a total of 8 miles. Are you getting it? Srimitran and Kamala, your answer add it to 3 by 4. If this distance was your answer, if you add that 3 by 4 miles, the total should be 8 miles. Are you getting it? If not, correct your answer.
Yeah, I understand now.
Yeah, good job.
I understand.
Okay, go ahead and fix it.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Akshara, good job.
Miss Priya, I don't understand.
Okay, no problem. You can wait. I will wait to get more answers. Think about it, Kripa. What is that you don't understand? Meaning, think about it. Think about the problem. You are walking to your friend's house. You
Now.
traveled 3 by 4 miles. The distance to her house is 8 miles. How much more you need to walk?
Am I correct now?
I will check. I'm checking Vihan. No, Vihan. Ananya, what is that, Ananya?
That was on.
Huh? If you mute yourself, I can never hear. You can totally remain unmuted. What is it?
That was on accident.
Okay. The total distance is 8 miles. In that total distance of 8 miles, you have only covered 3 by 4. So you need to subtract 3 by 4. How do you subtract it? See, the easiest way to make the subtraction is 8 minus 1 is what?
7.
7. From 7, you need to subtract 3 by 4. 7, if you subtract 1, it's a 6. But you subtracted too much. How do you subtract 3 by 4 from 7? From 7, you're going to subtract a 3 by 4. What do you all think?
Am I correct?
Yeah.
What do you all think?
Yeah.
I just got the answer.
Kamala correct, Adya correct. So, see, easy to subtract the whole numbers. 8 minus 1, 7. But then you still have 3 by 4 to subtract. From 6, okay, take away the 1. Take away the 1. See, from 1 you can subtract a 3 by 4 easily. So, take it away. So, that becomes a 6. 7 becomes a 6 because you took away the 1. From 1 you can subtract 3 by 4, which gets you 1 by 4. So, the answer is 6 1 by 4.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
I am telling the answer right, Srimitran.
Oh.
Miss Priya, I still don't understand.
What is that you didn't understand?
I don't understand how you subtracted 1 from 3 by 4.
Yeah, Kripa. From 8, you subtract the 1. What do you get?
7.
7. From 7, you cannot subtract 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a fraction, right?
Yeah.
So I take away one from the 7 I have, I take away one whole. Okay. So I am left with 6, correct?
Yeah.
From the 1 I took away, do you know how to subtract 3 by 4 from 1?
No.
It's very, okay, think about it. 1 is what? It's 4 by 4 is 1, right? From 4 by 4, can you subtract 3 by 4?
1/4.
Amma, you
No,
next
1 by
question.
4. So the answer is 6 1 by 4.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
get it? So now I'm asking you to subtract. Okay, from 3, I want you to subtract 1 by 8. What do you do? 3 minus 1 is a 2. Now you have a 2. But still, you need to subtract a 1 by 8. That's hard. So take away 1 from, see, you have 2 holes, right? So make it 1 and pull away the 1. When you pull away the 1, 1 minus 1 by 8 is what? You don't know, right? What is 1? 8 by 8 is 1. 8 out of 8 is 1. So that becomes 7 by 8. Here there is a 1. So answer is 1 7 by 8. Kripa, did you get it?
Yeah.
4 minus 3 by 7 is what, guys? What is 4 minus 3 by 7? See, that's very difficult to do, right? They pull away the 1. This becomes a 3. Pull away the 1. Then you do 1. You pulled it. See, 4 is 3 plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you pull it away, 1 minus 3 by 7 is easy. Why? 1 is nothing but 7 by 7, right? Now 7 minus 3 by 7 is 4 by 7. This is a 3. Make sense?
It does.
Okay. Now 5 minus 2, 3 by 8. What is the answer? Come on, guys. Quick. We are moving very slowly, guys. I need to go to estimation.
Minus 2 is 3. 3.
Hey, we all discussed area. Have we discussed areas already?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Am I correct? Am I correct?
Adya correct, ma.
Priya, am I correct?
Adya correct. Vihan, that's incorrect. Akshara correct, ma.
And then wait, what?
Shankari correct.
It's
See, the thing is, you cannot subtract that easily, right? So here, 5, subtract the whole numbers. That becomes 3. But still, you need to subtract the 3 by 8. Correct?
yeah.
How do you subtract that? 3, you split it and write as 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 8. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So what is 1 minus 3 by 8? 1 whole means what? 8 by 8 is 1 whole. Right?
Yeah.
Based on the denominator, you are going to write it out as 8 by 8 or 7 by 7 or 6 by 6, whatever it is. Now, this is easy for you to do. So, 2, 5 by 8. Aru, did you get it?
Okay.
Aru, did you understand?
Oh, now I understand it. I
You
understand it.
Okay, good, good. How about this? Hey, are you aware? Are you okay to do areas? What is the area of the square? What is the area of the square? Who can tell me?
Is it square 8?
64.
64. Yeah. So this side times this side is the area. Correct? Now, how about this, guys? Suppose this is 30 inches long, 20 inches wide. What is the area, Akshara? What is the area of that?
I know.
Akshara, that was the question to you.
Miss Priya, I said the 600.
Good job. 6, 3 twos are 6, 600 in square. Good job. Now, let's go ahead and try. There is, I don't know what I'm drawing. Okay. A square is split into 3 congruent rectangles. Congruent means exactly similar. Okay. The perimeter of each rectangle. Okay. Perimeter. This is a square, guys, meaning all the sides are equal. The perimeter of each rectangle. This one, see, this question we have done so many times. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16 inches. Perimeter of each rectangle is 16 inches means, let me take this as long and a short. So 1 long and a short plus long and a short is 16 inches. So 2 long and 2 shorts. 2 long and a short will be equal to 16 inches means 1 long and a short will add up to what?
8.
8. 1 long and a short will add up to 8. Now what they're asking is, we want to know the area of the square. Okay, we don't know. We need to know the side, then only I'll be able to find, right? Perimeter of the rectangle is 16. Perimeter of the rectangle is 16, they have given. But then, when you think about it, do you see the relationship between long and short? How many shorts are 1 long?
3.
3. So plug that in here. That is 1 long and 1 short is 8. But you know 1 long is 3 shorts. So what is 1 short?
2.
The long is 3 shorts, right? You can plug that in. 3 short plus 1 short is 4 shorts will be equal to 8. So what is 1 short?
2.
1 short is 2. You got it? So what is the perimeter? What is the area of the square now?
The area.
What is the area of the square? What is the area of the square? This is a square basically. So what is the area of the square?
36.
Good. 6 times 6, 36 square centimeters. You got it?
Yeah.
So the thing about long and shorts is whenever they give, write it out as long and shorts. And then find out how many shorts are there in one long. Make a substitution. Plug that in and find out your short. Make sense?
That's in the homework.
Yeah, I'm going to give that to you in the homework, but we have done the same problem months back. We have done exactly the same problem months back.
I remember.
Yeah, and one thing, guys, your class needs to have one makeup. Okay, when I was in India, I did cancel the class and we never had it. I would like to have it next Sunday. Are you all available? The same time.
Next Sunday, but don't we have a regular class that time too?
No, we have a break next Sunday. That's why I'm asking whether we can have the class next Sunday.
Yes, we
We
can.
have it like after that.
Can we have your class next Sunday?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, let me check with parents and then make a decision. Make sense, guys?
Yes. I'll deal with the other class temp, so maybe you can change it to
No, don't worry,
9:45.
Vihan. I'll discuss with your mom, then only set the class timing. I'm just discussing whether we can have the makeup class during the break, that's all.
Do we have it like after the break Sunday? Or
Why, ma? We can have it next Sunday, right?
okay.
Okay, I'll ask the parents too. Okay, just so to let you know, we will not have a break. That 1 week of break you will not have, that's all. Okay, guys. I'll see you all next week. Go ahead. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you, Miss.
Bye, bye. One second, ma. One second, guys. You're going to give me one minute. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Give me a minute again. Why due date is not getting set? Okay, let's go ahead. Let's stop. Hi guys. In this class, who's preparing for CBE? Nobody, right? Mitransh, are you writing the CBE?
Yes,
When, ma? When is your CBE?
I think in April, like the
No, no.
start of April.
Okay. You're in which ISD?
I'll prosper.
Prosper. Prosper is later in May, I think.
Oh,
Yeah, then we are good. Okay. If we are not taking CBE, I'm fine. Circles, were you able to do the first four parts?
yes.
Okay. Anybody, any questions? Ashrita, with you, ma, what are they doing in circles? Have they covered tangent secants?
Yes. We covered monster circles. Now we're going into more properties, I believe. We are on our next chapter 12.
What
Let's
is
go
it?
for it.
On equations of circles?
Let me pull out my pocket real quick.
Have you covered equations and circles is a question I had for you.
I don't think so.
Okay, so they have not finished circles. Okay, so
Yeah.
what I would like to do for you is we will continue discussing circles. I would like to
We
cover.
learned inscribed and circumscribed triangles and quadrilaterals and circles.
Okay, that's good. That's good. See, for me, that will be a part of whatever we cover. Make sense?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So, hey, how did the UAL go yesterday?
I got third in calculator and I got second in chess.
Oh, nice. Second in?
Chess puzzle.
Yes. Wow, nice. Okay, and then third in calculator.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. I wanted to go to circles, but then just give me 1 minute. So part 1 to 9. See, I don't want to do circles. I'll continue, but then my thought was to continue part 1 to 9. Okay. Circles part 2. Okay. See, special segments is there, but I want you to do special segments. We'll do, okay, in circles. We'll do that, but in the meantime, I want to know about this. How about this? Let's think about a circle. Meaning, I want to cover this aspect of circles and then go through whatever you need, guys. Okay, meaning the other aspects of cards, tangents, secants, all that we'll cover. Okay, let me try to get to all that today itself. Do we have half hour extra class today?
I don't think so. I think we finished our 2
Finished?
classes.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what. I really want to finish because this will be the last class of the session, right? So I really want to complete circles. Let's see. Let's see. But it's a big stretch. Okay, let's see. So coming to a circle, right? Think of the circle with the center. Now, let's say the radius is r, right? If this is 0 comma 0, center of the circle is 0 comma 0, right? How does a circle form? Because of all the points that make up this circle, right? We say locus of all points that are equidistant from the center. Locus of all points that are equidistant from the center make up the circle, correct? Now, when you think about it, let's say I make the center as 0 comma 0, right? This distance, what is this distance? I'll name it as x. Okay, there is a point x comma y. Okay, this is a p point x comma y. Now this distance is x. Okay, what is this distance, guys? It's a center with 0 comma 0. So what is that distance?
Why?
Y. Good job. Now can you make a Pythagorean theorem? Can you apply Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
What is it? X square plus y square will be equal to r square, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now consider another point on the circle, or consider this point on the circle. Let's consider a completely different point. Let's see that. What happened to that point? If I call this as x1 comma y1, what happens to that? What is this distance? x1. What is the vertical distance? y1. Again, can I say x1 square plus y1 square equal to r square? Can I say that? So Think about all the points in the circle. It will be some x square plus y square. Does that make sense? So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. Equation of a circle with center 0, 0. With center 0, 0 is this. Make sense? Now I'll make it complicated. Okay? I'll become so mean to you. Now, I shift that center of the circle to h, k. 0, 0 is in here. I just shifted it. So what is this distance, guys? What is this distance?
H.
H. What is this distance?
K.
K. You got it? I shifted the circle with center h, k. Now I am making it more complicated. Let me consider the same point. Right? Now, what is this distance? See, this entire distance is x. This entire distance is y. This is y. This is x. You got it? I am just asking for what is this distance. Entire distance is x. Okay? You know, but this distance is h. So what is this, our distance? The highlighted distance.
X.
That can't be x. The entire distance is x, right?
Okay.
The entire distance is x. That's the point, right? The center distance is h, k means this distance is h. I'm asking for this distance. What is that? I gave you all the clue.
X minus H.
X minus h. Similarly, what is this distance? What is that distance?
Y minus K.
Yes, that's y minus k. Now can I make up the equation for equation of a circle with center h, k? What is that distance? What is the equation now? Just frame the same equation differently. What is that? Instead of x, what I'll write? Come on, Pythagorean theorem, right? Go ahead. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square will be equal to r square. So, equation of a circle with center h, k is this. Equation of a circle with center 0, 0 is that. Any questions here? Srishti, did you understand?
Yeah, we already we've did this last week in school and we finished it. Yeah.
Okay, so if you finish all of the circle as well, huh?
Yeah. We're doing we're gonna start on quadrilaterals tomorrow.
Oh, quadrilaterals. In that, what are you going to do? Area, va?
Here, let me check. I think I have it. We're gonna do it's just introduction and then our concept check is on interior and exterior angles in quadrilaterals, I think.
Okay, that we have done already, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's see. Okay, now, okay. Find the set. Okay, now tell me, suppose if I have x square plus y square is equal to 20. Okay, what is the center and radius of this circle? What is the center? What is the radius? What is the center? What is the radius?
Isn't it 0, 0?
0, 0 is the center. Correct. Because it's of the format x minus h the whole square. H is 0 here. Plus y minus k the whole square will be equal to r square. What is r? Radius?
Square root of 20, which
Square
is
root of 20. But you have to say it as?
2 root 5.
Did you all get it? Okay. Now, let's see. How about this? can you find the equation of the circle? This one. How about this? Can you find the equation of the circle with center as -2, -7? Let me write out the general equation. Please don't memorize, guys. Did you understand how we got the equation of the circle? Yeah, please don't memorize the formula. You should know how you got it. Now, I want you to find the equation of the circle with center -2, -7 and a radius with endpoint 0, 7. So, first you need to find the radius. How will you find the radius? That's the distance between 2 points. So, with all that, using your knowledge which you have imbibed earlier on distance formula, you have to find the radius of the circle. Then plug in the center. The center is h, k. Plug that into the equation. Now, send me the final equation.
Miss Priya, did I do it right?
I can check now. I don't. I have 3 answers. Oh, the chat window is so big. Give me a minute now. The radius is not 16, lady. The radius is not 16. Mitransh, that's correct. That's correct, Mitransh. That's correct, Srishti. Do you get it, guys? Ashrita, correct. Did you get it? So basically, you're going to plug this in. Kayura, how did you get, ma? How did you get the distance? 7
I
minus
put
7 the whole
I
square plus 0 minus -2 the whole square, correct?
yeah, that's what I did.
14 square plus 4. 196 plus 4 is a 200. So r square is 200. So plug that into this. X plus 2 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square equal to 200. How did you get r as 16, ma? You did not square it at all.
What? I did it, but oh, I see what I did wrong. But why did you put 200 into the equation?
Because r square is used in the equation.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make the questions harder, guys. Let's see how many of you do. Because, see, I really want you to put your effort, think, and then answer. Okay. These questions will be a little hard as we move up. Okay. I gave you easy questions. Now, let's see how you do. I don't want you to just plug in values. Okay. Let's see. How about this? How about this? A circle whose diameter has endpoints. Please draw, then only you'll know. A circle whose diameter has endpoints on 2, 2. This is 2, 2. And then minus 2, 2. That means what? This is the diameter. Let's see. So this is 0, 0. I'm going to wait. What is the equation of this circle? You get it?
Did I do it right this time, Miss Priya?
Wow. This is a circle with center, so that's correct, Ashrita. Not really, Keyura. Your y is correct, but the x is wrong and the radius is wrong.
Okay.
Okay. Sahana, not really, ma. Mitransh. Srishti got it right. So let me show you guys. What is the diameter basically? What is the diameter? It's basically 4, right? So what should be the radius? Radius should be, see, the distance between minus 2 and 2 is your diameter. So that is basically 4. So the radius has to be 2, correct? Now if the radius is 2, then the center becomes 0, comma, it moves, x moves, right? 0, comma 2 is your center. Now what happens if you know the formula, right? X minus h is the center. X minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square will be equal to 4. So x square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to 4. Any questions? Sahana, did you get that?
Miss Priya, would it be 2 at the end or 4?
Did I make a mistake? It'll be 4 at the end, right, ma? R square.
Oh, yeah.
Make sense? Okay. Can we move on? But good ask, because sometimes my silly mistakes also come in. So let's see. How about this? How about this? I really want you to think about this. This is a difficult question. Let's see. Okay. That one is easy. Okay, let's see this one. I'm going to give you a harder question, guys. Okay. Tangent means, you know what? Tangent means what? Okay, let's see. A tangent to a circle is, there is a circle. The tangent means that a line drawn in such a way that the line meets the circle at exactly one point. And if you look at it, right, this radius, meaning there is always a radius that's exactly perpendicular to the tangent. So tangent is a line drawn that touches the circle at exactly one point. That is a tangent. Now, a circle with center in quadrant 1, radius 5 units, and it has tangents at x equal to 2. It has a tangent at x equal to 2. And then what? Where is the tangent? Y equal to 3. So the circle has tangents like this. Now it has a radius of 5 units. Circle has tangents at these are the lines. The equation of the tangents are x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Did I put y equal to 3? No, I did not. So I'll draw it again. Y equal to 3 is here. So that is a tangent, right? Now, how can I position? Meaning, it has a radius of 5. It has a radius of 5 means starting from this point, I'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Miss Priya, shouldn't the y be 3? Why is it 2?
Oh, did I make a mistake? Yes, y equal to 3, correct. Oh, I just inverted it. Let me erase everything. Oh, thanks, Mitransh. Good observation. Y will be equal to 3, x will be equal to 2. Radius is 5 means what? From here I have to calculate the radius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is where the circle meets the tangent. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what happens now? That is the place where the circle meets the tangent. So the circle has to be something like this. But the radius is 5 units, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this 5 units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now can you come up with the circle equation? You have to draw it slowly. So what is the circle equation? So this is 7, comma. It takes a little time. Srishti, you're following?
Yeah.
Vibha, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, so that becomes, what does the equation become? X minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square will be equal to 25. Make sense, guys? So your target should be to find the center and radius of the circle. Then only you will be able to write the equation of the circle. Can I move on?
Yes.
That was a difficult question though. How about, I'll give you one more. Okay, how about this? Okay. Yeah, I would like you to write the equation of the circle. Equation of this circle. Would you be able to write the equation of this circle? Find the equation of this. What is going on, guys? Second. Sometimes I don't know what messes up. Hold on. Something messes up though. Hold on. Okay. Don't know what is going on. Today I'm not able to go anywhere. Sorry guys, give me a minute. Okay, so now how about you draw this one? For this circle, would you be able to write the equation? This is our circle. Write the equation of this circle.
Can you make it bigger?
Yeah, I can definitely make it bigger. How about this? Is that enough, Ma?
Yes.
Miss Priya, what are we trying to find again?
We're trying to find the equation of the circle.
Okay.
Srishti, did you do completing squares and then do finding equations of circles?
Completing squares.
Yeah.
Like what do you mean completing squares? Like what? Like completing squares, like meaning, like, I can tell you what we did before. Let me find it. Before circles, we did like angles. We did segments and then like angles and then arc angle measure those things.
Yeah. That is all there. Okay.
Yeah, and then before that we did trig. And then angle of elevation and depression, and that's it. And then that was unit 4, and then unit 5 was circles.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I don't think you might have I don't think you did it. Let's see. Go ahead and do this one. After this, I'll go there. Did you write the equation of the circle? I definitely want to complete circles for you today. I don't know whether
There are
I
two
can.
separate questions, right?
Let's. What, ma?
There are two separate questions, right?
Yes, they are completely two separate questions. After this, I want to move on. That's why I gave you both the questions.
Okay.
Miss
The first
Priya,
question
can
is
you
pretty
check my
easy.
answers?
Yeah. Find the center and just write. I'm a little off. Vibha, the center is not 0, 0, right, Vibha? Vibha, I think we have not understood Vibha. I'll tell you why I'm saying that. Okay, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, right? Maybe I did not explain correctly. Let's see. Vibha, x minus h the whole square. This is the center, ma. And right side is r square. There's no way you'll get a minus. You see what I mean? Vibha, where is that you're getting confused? Please tell me.
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, so where is the center first of all? If this is the origin, right? Where is the center? 1, 2, 3. This is your center. What is that point? Yeah,
0.
correct. Minus 3 comma 0. So should you not plug in h equal to minus 3 and k equal to 0? And then what is r? What is the distance in units? So what will be r square?
R squared is 9.
9 will be equal to what?
Oh, I didn't square the radius. I just took it as 3.
Yeah, but it won't be minus 6, right?
No, I got what I did wrong.
Wait, Miss Priya, for number 1, are we supposed to find the center or the radius?
For number 1 is just the equation I wanted to find.
Oh,
So
okay.
plus 3 the whole square plus y square will be equal to 9. That's all. This is what I wanted to find out. Now the second question says find the radius of the circle, right? Radius of the circle, that is equation this.
Did I get, since you already showed the equation for number 1 and I didn't fix it in time, did I get number 2 right?
I'll check. See here, what is the center of the circle?
The center is 2, 3.
Exactly, center is 2, 3. It contains the point 2, 5. It contains the point 2, 5. What does it mean? What is the radius then?
The radius is 2?
2.
So
the radius is 2, that's all.
I got 4.
No, right?
Oh, wait, 4 is the diameter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot of intricacies. Focus intricacy. Again, you need to recheck. Sahana, are you understanding?
Yeah, I was like sending them and then you like said the answer. So
Okay. So the thing is, you need to be very careful when determining these. I'll move on. Now let me ask you this. I don't know whether you guys remember completing squares from algebra 1. That is very important. Okay. Unless we know completing squares, I don't think we can proceed with circles. Okay. Now, what is that number I have to write here? X square plus 10x plus what number should I add to make it a square term? What number should I add to this expression to make it a square term?
Miss Priya, I didn't learn this.
We have learnt it in algebra 1.
I'm still in algebra 1.
Oh, I see. So what number? Correct, Keura. You made a point. I take it in. No, don't worry. So how to make this into a square term? X square plus 10x plus what becomes a square term?
You have to do minus b over 2a whole square.
Correct. What is that?
That's 25.
Very nice. You will do ax square plus bx plus c. If you have, you'll do b by 2a the whole square. You will add and subtract. Here I'm asking what number should you just add. So b over 2a is 10 by 2 times 1. What is that? 5 square. B by 2a the whole square. So 5 square is 25. You will add it. Because if you add 25, this expression would become x plus 5 the whole square. You see, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become a square term. Any questions? Completing squares is quite important. X square plus 14x minus 61. X square plus 14x minus 61. How to make it into a square term? Let me see. X square plus 14x. What should I add and subtract? B by 2a means what? Sahana or Mahir, would you be able to say?
Would it be 14 divided by 2?
Correct.
And then it would be 7.
It would be good. So what is it? So what
So
will you
then
add?
it would be 49.
Yeah, so you will add 49 and subtract 49. It's like adding a 0, right?
Wait, why would you subtract 49?
Because you cannot just like that add a 49. The number will become angry. You're just adding 49 to the number, right? You should never change what is given. You got it?
I think so.
So now this becomes x plus 7 the whole square. That becomes a square term. Now what does this become?
I don't know.
110, right? Minus 110 equal to 0. Or I can make it as x plus 7 the whole square will be equal to 110. Make sense? See, this is how I make square terms. Making square terms, yeah, you might have forgotten. This is always a trouble when I come to geometry because you tend to forget. That's okay, but we will revise again and again and again. Let's see. We'll revise one more. How about this? X square plus 2x minus 65. X square plus 2x minus 65. X square plus 2x minus 65 equal to a minus 10. How to make it into a square term? Mitransh, you want to help me? Just
Yeah.
take these two. What will I add and subtract? Not a hard one. B by 2a the whole square.
Yeah, so it would be 2 over 2 squared, whole squared, I meant. Which would be 1.
Yes, good. Plus 1 minus 1. I'm just doing that so that it's like adding a 0, but I'll copy the rest of it. Now what happens? This will be x plus 1 the whole square. I made it into a square term. This will be minus 66 equal to a minus 10 plus 66 on both sides. Did you do this, Trishti, at school?
Miss Priya, I just finished this unit, like, on Friday.
Ah, okay. Did you make squares at school?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How about you, Srishti?
I think I remember doing this.
Ah, nice. Okay.
No, I don't know if it was this year or last year though.
In algebra 1 we did it, mom.
Yeah, then yeah, it was probably from last year.
Algebra 1. Okay, no
Because
problem.
this year.
Yeah. Now, the thing is, I'll give you equations like this hereafter. The main point of learning that was just a revision. Now, actual geometry concentrates on this. This is a circle equation. Can you believe that this is a circle equation? It doesn't look like it when you look at it, right? It is a circle equation. But how to express it in the format? This is your standard form of a circle equation, right? You need two square terms. Do you see it? You need two square terms with x and y. So let's reformat it. X square minus 2x. Then what do you have on y? Y square plus 28y plus 181 equal to 0. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now you know how to convert this into a square, this into square. That's why I talked about it. How to convert that into a square? X square minus 2x. What should I add and subtract?
1.
1 plus 1 minus 1. I did that. Now how to convert this into a square term? Oh my god, this is so noisy. How to convert that into a square term?
196.
196. How did you find it? B by 2a. 28 divided by 2, 14. So 14 you need to square, right? 196. So let me write that down. Plus y square plus 28y plus 196 minus 196, and I need to copy this plus 181 will be equal to 0. I'm going to stop that. What is that? My WhatsApp keeps on bugging me. Let me close everything. Okay. With that in place, now let's go ahead. What I want to do, I can make this into a square term. I can make this into a square term. Don't worry about the rest, okay? Let's first make it into a square term. X minus 1 the whole square. Don't forget the minus 1, guys. You need to regroup. The minus 1 has to be there. We will regroup, okay? Plus What is this? Y plus 14 the whole square. Make sense? And then I bring the minus 1 here. Minus 196 plus 181 equal to 0. Now x minus 1 the whole square plus y plus 14 the whole square minus 197 plus 181. What happens next? It's a 60. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 14 the whole square will be equal to 0. So the equation of the circle becomes what?
We can't see what you're writing down there.
Yeah, Miss.
Till where did you see, Ma?
Now we can see it.
It works now.
Yeah, we can see it now entirely.
Okay. So now x minus 1 the whole square plus y
Isn't
minus
it- Isn't y plus 14 whole square?
y plus sorry, yeah, by mistake I just wrote down as minus. So the center is what now? 1 comma minus 14. Radius is 4. Make sense?
We can't see what you're writing again.
Okay. I'll so the radius is 4. Then the center is what?
1 comma minus
1
14.
comma 4, 1 comma minus 14. Make sense?
Yes.
So for you to derive the equation of the circle, there is no way without knowledge and completing squares you cannot do equations of circles. As a result, you should know how to complete squares. So given an equation like this, just think about this 2, this 2. What should I add and subtract? I will add a 1, subtract a 1. Here I will add a 196, subtract a 196. Now make this into a square term. Make this into a square term. Then regroup your numbers. I regrouped my numbers. Then I got a minus 16, moved it to the other side. Now I am having the format x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Make sense? So how about this? I'm going to stop share because you're not able to see your thing. So I'm going to fix that. Sometimes Zoom, I don't know what it does. Now you should be able to see the full screen. Okay, I don't know why. Sometimes it happens. Okay, but I can see it. Once you say that you're not able to see, I can see why you're not able to see. How about this? Can we rectify this, or you want me to do this as well?
Can we try it?
You can try. But if anybody wants me to do, please say, guys. Don't worry. One person would have understood. One person would not have understood. You can cleanly tell me. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do. There's nothing wrong in asking to do one more as well. Go ahead with that.
Do we send you the equation of the circle or like any individual parts?
Equation of the circle, meaning I just want the center. More I think about it, I just want the center of the circle and the radius, that's all. Center and radius is what I want. Done? Ma, if you're stuck, immediately point it out to me. I'm here to help you. Don't make me ask one by one by one. Did you get it, Vibha?
Oh, not really.
Not really. Okay, tell me where are you not getting it. I'll help you. We'll work together. Come on. Can we group these two? Okay, I group these two. Can I group these two and write down Vibha?
Yeah.
Now, how to make it into a square term? Blindly, okay.
Isn't
If you're
it 20x?
Oh, yeah, yes, sorry. Go ahead. Now, what you need to do is b by 2a the whole square. You need to add and subtract. What is b by 2a for this one?
10.
What is b by 2a the whole square?
It's 10.
Yeah, Vibha, did you get that?
Yeah.
Ax square plus bx is there. b by 2a means what? 20 divided by 2 times 1, correct?
Uh-huh.
You square that and add x square plus 2x plus 10 square, right? 100 minus 100 you'll do. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, then the next one. Y square plus 20y. What you'll add and subtract, ma? Vibha, what will you add and subtract? Y square plus 20y. Y square plus 20y. What is b by 2a? What is b by 2a? b
20 by 2
times 1. What is that?
so 10
Yeah, so but you need to square that and add it, right?
plus 100 minus 100.
Exactly. Plus 164 equal to 0. Now please make this into a square term. X plus 10 the whole square. Make this into a square term. Plus y plus 10 the whole square minus 200 plus 164, right?
Uh-huh.
36. So will be equal to 36. So what is the center and what is the radius? You tell me.
The center is 10 comma 10 and the
10 comma,
radius
what is the
is
center? What is the center?
10 comma 10.
Minus x minus k. Y minus k. Minus 10
Then
comma
minus 10 comma minus 10.
and then
And the
radius.
radius is 6.
Did you understand now?
Yeah.
I'm so glad. Sahana, did you get it?
Yes.
Srishti, how about you?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so I gave you that one more problem. This is, I would give you one more problem on this. This is quite important to know. Okay, you should be able to do it yourself. One more problem we'll do and then we'll finish this topic, okay? I really want to go to secant tangents. Let's see. Yeah, one more we'll do and then we'll go, okay? So do this one. Find the center and radius of this circle. That's all, okay? I want to just switch.
Miss Priya, how long is this class?
I'll finish on time, maybe 5-10 minutes extra, please. I just want to finish circles with you guys, but I can't finish. I know at least I'll do most of it. Make sense? Please.
Okay.
Because it's the last class of the session. In the sense, I also have some targets, you see, then only the classes will run productively, right? Yeah, it's not my intent to just like that extend too. Make sense?
We just have to find the center and radius, right?
Yes. For that matter, extending is hard on me with all whatever is going on. Ashrita, are you available during the break off for Algebra 2?
Yes, for the break, I'm available any day.
Okay, let's see, ma. Meaning I have to combine several of you who are doing that, but then I'm planning to go over logarithmic exponential function, whatever you need. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise,
For exponential, I finished the Khan Academy part of it, so I'm working on the book right now, finishing the exponential part of the book, and then I'm going to start logarithms.
see, logarithm is what is difficult. That's why I want to conduct a session.
Okay.
Exponential, I'm pretty sure you can learn from Algebra 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a continuation of Algebra 1, but logarithms becomes hard, particularly condensing and expanding becomes hard.
Okay.
And converting from exponential to logs, I really want to give an intro. Okay, so let's see. Just remind me, Ashrita, even if I forget.
Okay.
I think that's right. Mahir, good job. You're doing a good job in this class today. Srishti, did you get it?
Yeah, I submitted my answer.
Yes. Minus 4 comma 0 or 4 comma 0?
Oh, my bad. Yeah.
Ashrita said minus 4 comma 0 or 4 comma 0, ma.
I got -4. Wait, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's right only. Mitransh, is it minus 4 comma 0 or 4 comma 0?
Because I got x plus 4 squared, so that would be x minus
Yeah,
4.
minus 4, correct.
Okay.
So the
I
center is
forgot to put the minus, like
minus 4
subtraction.
comma 0 and then the radius is 6. If you didn't get it, you have to ask now. Can I move on? Another 5 minutes, guys. Okay, I really want to finish one more subunit in circles from last week. Let's see. Everyone go back to circles. We were discussing, right? So I'll continue the discussion next week as well. See, irrespective of what your school covers, if we can cover all the basics and patch up all your basics in circles, PSAT will become easy, right? So from my end, I would want to complete 2. Okay. We did 4 parts last week, right? In circles. Did we discuss radians?
Yes, we converted radians to degrees and stuff.
And arcs and chords we did, right? Circumscribed, inscribed, arcs and chords, equidistant chords.
I think so. Yeah. We did parts 1 to 4 for homework.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now I have, okay, I just want to discuss this directly, the concept related to this directly. Let's see. We'll do a couple problems, okay? I won't take a lot of your time too. I'm also spending time, so I just want to get up and run, but yeah, I just want to finish. How about this? Let's do the concept related to this, inscribed angle and inscribed angle. So what I want you to understand with respect to this is, see, if an angle is on the circle, if an angle is made on the circle, it's called an inscribed angle. This angle is called an inscribed angle. This angle is called an inscribed angle. Make sense? If the angle is made on the circle, it's an inscribed angle. See, this arc is making this inscribed angle. Okay. The arc's actual measure is what? Let's say the arc's actual measure is 60 degrees. Okay. This arc is making that central angle. This arc is making this inscribed angle. So here, this arc is called the intercepted arc. This arc is called the intercepted arc. This angle is called the inscribed angle. So here, what is the measure of the arc? The measure of the arc is always the angle made at the center by the arc. So let's say that is 60 degree, then the inscribed angle is always half of it. Inscribed angle is always half of the intercepted arc. So whenever there is an arc, let's say there is an arc, this is making a central angle of 30 degrees. Okay, the same arc is going to make an inscribed angle on the circle, that will be 15 degrees. Wherever it makes. See, the inscribed angle can be made anywhere. Let me draw and show you. Let's say this is an arc. Okay, the central angle made by that is 30 degrees, let's say. Okay, this, there can be an intercepted angle made like this, or there can be an inscribed angle made like this. Both are 15 degrees. If it is the same arc, it's both the same. The inscribed angles are the same. You got it? See here, this is the arc. It's making two inscribed angles, one here, one here. Both will be same because it's the same arc, right? Any questions here? Now let's say there is a circle, there is a diameter. Okay, the inscribed angle made by the diameter of the circle is making this inscribed angle, right? It's always 90 degrees. Got it? Now, in a circle, we can draw a quadrilateral in such a way that the circle is circumscribing the quadrilateral. The circle circumscribing. Circumscribing means the vertices are on the circle, right? Here, the quadrilateral is inscribed within the circle, correct? So here, the opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. The opposite angles add up to 180 degrees, and this is called a cyclic quadrilateral. When it is inscribed inside a circle, it's called a cyclic quadrilateral. So the opposite angles are supplementary in that case. Remember, arc's inscribed angle is always half of the angle measure of the arc. Okay, let's consider one example. I'll let you go after we do one or two problems. Let's see this one. How about this? What is going on? 1 second. How about this? Let's see if you are able to do this. How about this? I will erase this off. See here, what is the arc measure? What is the measure of the arc? See, this arc is inscribing this angle 38 degree. What is the measure of that arc? Measure of the arc is the central angle. What is the measure?
76.
76. It's always double. Vibha, are you there, Vibha?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's say I have a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's say this one. See, all the vertices are on the circle, right? Here, what did we study about this? Opposite angles are supplementary, right? Now, if I give you 120, if I give you 55, would you be able to find these x and y? You will be able to, right? Because see, this quadrilateral is inscribed inside the circle, so opposite angles are supplementary. So this will be 60, this will be, x will be 180 minus 55. Any questions?
No.
Okay, now let's go ahead and do one problem, proper problem. How about this? How about this? Let's talk it out, okay? You don't need to do. Let's see. What is the measure of angle? What is the measure of angle S? That's a good question here. First of all, what is the arc measure ST? What is the measure of arc ST? Srishti, you tell me. What is the measure of arc ST?
48.
48. What will be its central angle? Central angle is always the measure of the
48.
arc. 48. Good. That'll be 48, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is a radius. This is a radius. So, what type of a triangle is this? Huh?
Equilateral.
It can't be equilateral, right?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. So, since it is isosceles, this angle is equal to this angle, right? So, 48 plus x, this is x, will be equal to 180. Make sense?
Wait, Miss Priya, can't we do it another way? Since we know that arc ST is 48, we can figure out that arc RT is 180 minus 48.
Arc RT is 180 minus 48. Good.
And then after that, we can.
This is 180 minus 48, correct?
Yeah. So after that, we know the angle S is the inscribed angle to that measure. So can't we just do 180 minus 48? That's 132 divided by 2.
Yeah, you can do that as well.
Okay.
Good job. Yeah, we'll try one or two more problems maximum and then I'll let you go. Okay. Now, in this scenario, think about this. I just want to find out the measure of each. How about this? That's a confusing one. But see here, this is the arc that's making this inscribed angle and this inscribed angle. That's the same arc. So what can you tell about those two? How can you find x? How can you find x? See, if it is the same arc making different inscribed angles, they should be. If the same arc makes different, they should be congruent, right? Because it's the same arc making different inscribed angles. It's the same measure. So how can you find out x? What should you equate? 5x plus 4, you equate it to 6x minus 2. Does that make sense? Vibha, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Last, maybe. Let's see this one. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? There is a property that we learned about this. What do you think about, how do you find out x?
Do you want us to put it in the chat or like say it out loud?
No, say it out loud, ma. This is just a concept discussion. It's a diameter. It's a semicircle. So what is this angle?
Angle S has to be 90 degrees.
Yep, that's 90 degree. So
You
the
add the
angle.
x's.
So 3x equals 90, x equals 30.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, how about this? One more, the last one. We'll go with this. This is a good one. We'll finish with this. Okay, we'll finish with this complicated one. Okay, how about this? We'll finish with this complicated one. After that, you're going to. How about this? Quadrilateral JKLM is inscribed in circle. Which of the following statements must be true? Quadrilateral JKLM contains at least two right angles. Quadrilateral JKLM contains at least two right angles. MLK is a semicircle. MLK is a semicircle. L and M are supplementary. That's a difficult. That's a little bit difficult. Which is correct? I'm going to wait, guys. You're going to think, right? Will you message me?
I sent my answer.
You sent your answer? Okay, 1 minute, wait. Part 5 you're going to complete. Okay. Yes, ma. Why do you think, ma, that is correct? Mitransh, that's not correct. How about check number 1, Mitransh? What do you think about number 1? Mahir, what do you think about number 1? Quadrilateral has at least two right angles. Keyura, what do you think about number 1?
It only shows one right angle.
But it shows only one right angle. But this is a diameter, right? If that is a diameter, if this is a diameter, the inscribed angle made by the diameter is always 90 degree. This is one of the inscribed angle made by the diameter, so it's 90. This is another inscribed angle made by the diameter. It should also be 90, right?
Oh, so it's J1 and 2?
Yep, 1 and 2 are true. This can't be true because this is a cyclic quadrilateral whose vertices are in the circle. However, M plus K is 180. J plus L is 180. This is incorrect. Make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Can I stop here? Guys, next week we'll have a break, right? We are not going to have class, right? Yeah, next 1 week we'll have a break and then we'll resume. Yeah, Ashita, you're going to ping me about the CBE thing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? You can always ping me anytime in WhatsApp. And we'll see you all after the break. If you're traveling, safe travels to you all. Come back energized after the 1 week break, guys.
Bye,
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. Thank
Bye,
you for
Miss
your
Priya.
patience. Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.